We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more unclear, very interesting but so often mispronounced Vietnamese names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This name I believe means jade. So how do you say it? Well, it is not Ngoc or Ngoc, but rather in Vietnamese it is said something along the lines of Nhop, Nhop, with, yes, I know, a P sound and more of a Y sound. I guess in English, if you can remember it easily, the closest would be as Nhop, Nhop. In Vietnamese, it is said as Nhop, Nhop. Yes, I know, at least that's as best as I can say it myself. Nhop. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting Vietnamese names. Oh, let me know in the comments if you found this useful or not. And give this a like if you did. More videos on how to pronounce very often mispronounced Vietnamese names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support.